If you want to delete all projects in CapCut quickly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to select every project and remove them all at once without having to delete each one manually. This is a simple cleanup method that can save you a lot of time if your CapCut home screen is cluttered with old drafts and finished edits. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut tips and app tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your device and wait for the home screen to load. Once you're on the main screen, scroll down a little until you find the Projects section. This is where CapCut keeps all of your saved edits, drafts, and existing project files. Under the project's title, you should see an option labeled All. Go ahead and tap All. This is important because it opens the full list of projects instead of showing only a limited view. Now that you're viewing all of your projects, look to the left side of the screen and you'll notice checkboxes appear next to each project. At this point, you can select the box for all, and CapCut will automatically highlight every project in the list. This makes it easy to delete everything in one step instead of selecting them one by one. Once all projects are selected, look for the delete button and tap it. CapCut will usually ask you to confirm the action before removing everything, so make sure you read the prompt carefully. When you're ready, confirm the deletion. After that, all of your selected projects will be permanently removed from the projects section, and that's it. You've now successfully deleted all projects in CapCut. If this helped you clean up your workspace, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials, editing tips, and beginner-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.